As rightly pointed out by a British sociologist Peter Saunders in 1980s, कि हम समाजशास्त्र को कभी भी संपूर्णतः कमरे की चार दीवारियों में रहकर नहीं पढ़ सकते हैं.
In order to understand its intrinsic and complex concepts, we need to build a platform or a space where its practical application can be done. And the people there can put forward their views and thoughts, and they can indulge in the healthy discussions about the questioning and the cross-questioning. Inspired by this, we, the students of Faculty of Social Sciences, have taken this initiative to bring about such kind of a platform for you all.
डिस्कोर्स, जो कि बनारस हिंदू यूनिवर्सिटी के फैकल्टी ऑफ सोशल साइंसेज पे बेस्ड एक स्टूडेंट इनिशिएटेड सोशलॉजिकल सोसाइटी है, जो कि प्रोफेसर्स और पीएचडी स्कॉलर्स की मदद से बहुत सारी इवेंट्स और एक्टिविटीज़ को ऑर्गेनाइज करती है.
We strive to challenge commonsensical understanding of various sociological concepts and phenomena and to foster sociological imagination with the help of bringing sociology into the discussion of the common people.
Our vision is to develop comprehensive sociological understanding among people, which in turn would enable them to understand and critically analyze various social issues and think sociologically about them, which is exactly what our motto is.
With the same aim and vision, Discourse has organized various events in various categories like lectures by professor, general group discussion, online lecture series. लेक्चर्स बाय प्रोफेसर, जहां हम कई सारे प्रोफेसर को बुलाते हैं और वो हमें किसी दिए गए टॉपिक पर डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव में एक डीप इंसाइट प्रोवाइड करते हैं. आफ्टर द लेक्चर हम स्टूडेंट एक जनरल ग्रुप डिस्कशन ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं ताकि हम उस टॉपिक को और डीपली अंडरस्टैंड कर सकें.
आफ्टर सम डेज वी रियलाइज दैट सोशोलॉजी के कॉन्सेप्ट को समझने के लिए हमें उसमें उपस्थित टर्मिनोलॉजी को समझना होगा. इसके लिए हम लोगों ने एक ऑनलाइन लेक्चर सीरीज बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ सोशोलॉजी की शुरुआत की, जिसमें डिफरेंट प्रोफेसर्स और रिसर्च स्कॉलर ने ऑनलाइन लेक्चर के माध्यम से बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ सोशोलॉजी लाइक सोसाइटी, कम्युनिटी, सोशल फैक्ट, सोशल सिस्टम के बारे में समझाया, जिससे हम लोगों को बहुत सहायता मिली.
थर्ड, several events of journal relevance such as quiz competition, conventional speech and discussion sessions, and various articles illustrating the significance of important days in sociology.
My 10 months of journey with Discourse has given me a lot of things, like a feeling of satisfaction and happiness for doing things which I really like to do.
A sense of team spirit and belongingness.
A gift of rational thinking.
A distinct and intellectual perspective.
Capability of looking social issues and social events from sociological perspective.
Given me confidence to turn ideas into reality.
And helped me in my overall development.
Individually ही नहीं, on a bigger, larger scale also, the Discourse has proven its point in every facet. Or on the same scenario, I would not think twice before saying, friends, कि the Discourse is not only a society, it's a revolution. एक ऐसा revolution जिसने फैकल्टी ऑफ सोशल साइंस के बच्चों के अंदर एक फीलिंग ऑफ एक्टिविज्म को जगाया. एक ऐसा रेवोल्यूशन जिसने एक सेंस ऑफ बिलोंगिंगनेस टुवर्ड्स एकेडमिक्स को पुश किया. और जब अम्बेडकर साहब कहते हैं कि एक्टिविज्म इन एकेडमिक्स इज़ ए बेकन फॉर कंट्रीज ग्रोथ, सो वी फील सेटिस्फाइड एंड happy that we have achieved such a lot thing in such a short span of time. And now we think we have to look forward, we have to look for bigger things. We want to develop the Discourse as a pan-India platform, a platform over which various activities such as conventional lecture series by professors belonging to top-notch universities around the country, UPSC Sociology optional talks, career counseling and guidance in sociology, panel discussion on various societal issues and concerns, movie reviews, field visits, and to be honest, a specific platform for inter-university undergraduate students, a platform through which they can foster, showcase, present their understanding of society and sociology as a whole. We, the members of Discourse, will be providing you a lot of things. We shall be delivering all those things to you, provided you do not miss this chance.
If you want to be a part of the Discourse, you can join us by being a member of the discourse, you will get all the latest information regarding event, lecture which we are going to organize, and also opportunity to participate in it.
By being a volunteer of our society, you will get the opportunity to work along with us in managing and organizing the event. A link for both can be found in the description below. आइए हमारी सोसाइटी से जुड़िए और यहाँ पे आएंगे तो आपके कॉन्सेप्ट्स अलग अलग तरीके से क्लियर हो जाएंगे और आपको यहाँ पे अलग अलग तरीके की अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिलेगी. प्लीज़ कम एंड जॉइन अस.
Come together and join our family and let's create a legacy together.